In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn in Gohighlevel. To get started, head over to Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into the correct account or sub-account where you want to manage your social media connections. This is important because the LinkedIn profile or page you connect will be tied to the workspace you're currently in. Once you're inside Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From there, click on Marketing. This section contains the tools related to content, promotion, and social media management. So that's where you'll go whenever you want to set up or manage these types of integrations. After opening the marketing area, look for LinkedIn among the available social account options. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct platform, especially if you already have other social channels connected. When you find LinkedIn, click on Connect. At this point, Gohighlevel will redirect you to the LinkedIn sign-in page so you can authorize the connection. This is a standard part of the setup process and allows LinkedIn to confirm that you have permission to connect the account. On the LinkedIn login screen, sign in to your LinkedIn account. You'll first enter your email address in the appropriate field. Make sure you use the email associated with the LinkedIn account you want to connect, then enter your password in the password field. Once both fields are filled out, click Sign In. After that, LinkedIn will continue the authorization process and connect your account back to Gohighlevel. Depending on your account settings, you may also see additional permission prompts from LinkedIn. If that happens, simply review them carefully and continue so the integration can be completed successfully. And that's it. Once the sign-in is accepted, your LinkedIn account should be connected inside Gohighlevel, allowing you to use it within the platform's marketing and social posting tools. As a quick tip, if the connection doesn't go through on the first try, double check that you're logged into the right LinkedIn account in your browser. It can also help to refresh the page and try the connection again. If LinkedIn asks for verification, just complete that step before returning to Gohighlevel. Now you know how to connect LinkedIn in Gohighlevel, and you're ready to move forward with managing your social presence more efficiently from one place.